Shopify Affiliate Program Application Walkthrough. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Shopify Affiliate Program, one of the most reputable and high-paying affiliate programs or platforms for digital creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or course creator, this video will walk you through the step-by-step on how you can go ahead and sign up with the affiliate program, what to expect, and how to increase your chances of getting approved. And so the first thing that we have to talk about is what is Shopify affiliate program. Now, Shopify's affiliate program lets you earn commissions by referring new merchants to Shopify. Every time someone signs up for a paid Shopify plan through your referral or unique link, you earn up to $150 per commission. No product fulfillment, just passive commissions. Now it's perfect for content creators in niches like e-commerce, dropshipping, online businesses, and marketing, tech and digital tools, and lastly, small business education. Now, the best part is that Shopify is a trusted global platform with high conversion rates. So let's talk about the requirements in order to join the affiliate program. Before we jump in through the walkthrough, here's the Shopify looks for an affiliate. So the first thing that you have to do is that you must have an active and relevant platform, something like a website, a YouTube channel, blog, or a large social media presence. From there, your content should focus on entrepreneurship or online business. Shopify prefers affiliates who create original educational content. Now, you must agree not to use paid ads on branded terms. For example, bidding on Shopify and Google Ads is against the rules right here. Now, you should also clearly disclose your affiliate relationship in all content. Now, let's head over to the step-by-step application process. And so all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. The first thing that you have to do is to head over to shopify.com/affiliates. From here, you then have to click on the Apply Now button. We then have to create or log into the Shopify Partners account. In my case, I'm just going to click on the Sign Up button. If you want to go ahead and change the language right here, you can just click on the flag, and inside you will be able to simply choose the language that you want to choose. Now, you want to make sure that you have agreed on the contract terms for Shopify. So in my case, I'll just click on the accept button, and right after that, we then have to simply create an account on impact.com using our email, an Apple account, Facebook, Google, Twitter or X, and lastly LinkedIn. In my case, I'm going to use one of my Google accounts right here. So I'll just navigate through my Google account, choose the Google account that I want to simply use, and from there, we have to go ahead and fill out our information or fill out our profile. So in here, it's as simple as entering your first name, last name, your mobile number, and finally, you then have to go ahead and click on the Get Started button. Now, you must enter a valid mobile number before you proceed on the registration right here. So I'll just click on the Get Started button, and from there you then have to enter the code that have been sent to you on the email that you have used. And simply right after, we then have to go ahead and categorize our business. So from here, you then want to choose your audience. So what they are, what type of content that you go ahead and create. So for example, if you're something like a YouTuber or a social media influencer out there, you then want to choose social media right here. Now there's a small description about each category. If you're something about technology solutions, maybe you provide innovative technological solutions that enhance the customer experience, or something like network search comparison and more. In my case, just to make everything easier, I'll go ahead and select social media influencer right here. Click on the continue button, and right after that, you then want to enter your promotional platform. So for example, if you want to go ahead and promote your affiliate link through your website, you can just add your website right here. You can also add your socials like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and more. Now, we also have podcasts if you have one, a mobile application, an email or newsletter, and lastly, an offline. In my case, I'm just going to use my Pinterest account as an example. Now take note that you want to go ahead and put a social media account that have some followers in order to go ahead and get approved better on Impact or on the affiliate program. So since this is only an example, I'll just navigate through the next button, and from here you then have to enter your information about yourself. So I'll just navigate through the options right here, and simply right after filling everything up, you then have to wait for around 1 to 3 business days in order to get approved for the affiliate program right here. So basically, that's all you have to do in order to go ahead and sign up or apply for the Shopify affiliate program. Now, as a pro tip, you want to be as detailed as possible because it will better the odds of your approval. Now, you then want to submit the application once more. And once again, you then have to wait for 7 or 3 business days for the review. And so, right after that, what happens after the approval? Once approved, you'll gain access through your own affiliate dashboard, a unique tracking link, your performance analytics, the marketing resource like banners and logos, and lastly, you have an email support. From there, let's talk about the commission structure and payouts. Shopify pays a one-time commission of $150 for each merchant that sign-ups for a paid plan. Some plans may offer higher commissions for premium tiers. Now, payouts are made via PayPal or direct deposits. Payments are typically issued 60 days after the merchant pays. And lastly, Shopify also occasionally runs bonus campaigns for affiliates with high performance. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is some additional tips in order to maximize your approval. First, you want to build content before applying. Have at least 3 to 5 Shopify related videos or articles. You must include screenshots or analytics to demonstrate your traffic to Shopify. You must write a clear promotional strategy in your application. You must stay active and follow Shopify's affiliate rules to avoid termination. And lastly, you want to track performance and optimize with A/B testing. And that's how you go ahead and apply for the Shopify affiliate program. If you're serious about monetizing your content and helping others build businesses, this is a solid long-term opportunity. So you can just drop your questions below, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more affiliate marketing tutorials in the future. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.